Since I've posted this video, I've gotten a lot of comments that it doesn't work in a hotel room. So we're going to check it out because we happen to be in a hotel room. I also have this one here, this one, which is a master lock door stop, and then a swinging one you'll see here shortly on the door. So let's get started. Standard steel door. It comes with this hotel. This is the flip lock. I can put all my weight on it, 180 pounds, and it's not going to go. Can't flip it from the outside. Can somebody barge in here? Yes. Will hotel security be called? Hearing some sort of commotion outside? Definitely. Here's the lock configuration. The deadbolt, which is pretty effective, that's going to work. You've got a steel frame here, and you've got this finger lock here that's very complicated and may prevent me from using the other guards, except for the door stop. But let's find out. First thing is this one. Will this work? Definitely not. Will this work? Not there. Can it come in here somehow? Maybe down this way? Maybe like that? Let's see. We'll put it in the lock. Try to slide it closed. All right, so this one, let's check it again here. The only possible way to put it in is this way. Okay, so let's try to keep it in place. But we have to put it in the lock. Very complicated, not easy at all. All right, that might do it. Let's get it in the right place here. Jiggle it down a little bit. Nope. This is a fail. Even if you can get it in there, I don't know how reliable it is. And this lock combination is not as good as this beefy steel deadbolt with this beefy steel frame and steel door. So this doesn't work in all hotel rooms. This one I practiced on yesterday. It worked fine the first time, and then I tried to repeat the process and it wouldn't work. So the first thing you got to do, back this off the whole way using the same principles as the previous one. Now I'm going to try to put it in here. If you can't shut this, you're kind of defeating the purpose. Can I get it down here? No. Can I get it down here? Maybe. Let's try that. I did it once yesterday. All right, did I get it in place? Yes. This has a nice little adjustment gauge on it, so you can customize it for the door. Can I throw this? All right, so you can get it in here like this, spin it down, but guess what? Can't throw the lock. Even though this is in place, it's really not working well. It's jamming the door, and you can't throw the deadbolt. So this doesn't work either. So we're real disappointed with this design. Maybe they should sell this instead as a fidget, because it comes apart, you can play with it, spin it around. Here's my last attempt. It's a master portable door jamb. So let's put this in place and see what happens. Pretty easy to put in place and kick off. You just kick it up against the door. You got a little strap here. Put it on if you want. These various pins adjust to different heights, and it tells you to put this side towards the door. That's where the hinge is. It slips a little bit. You have to make sure you adjust the pins, and that'll take a little bit of back and forth. You don't want it too far out like this from the door. You want it more at an angle. There's a sweet spot. You don't want it too close. You don't want it too far out. And the adjustments here make that really easy to find best configuration. This is a very slippery floor. This is a worst case. You have a nice little rubber pad here that it goes on. If you were to use it on a carpeting, it's going to grip a little bit more. Tile floor would be just as slippery as this kind of fake wood linoleum, whatever you want to say. But there's actually a better solution depending on what you have in the room. And I'll show that in another video, and I'll post that up here and down below. The great thing about this version right here is that it collapses down with the pins, and it's fairly portable. It can go in your luggage, a backpack, in your car. Would I take this on a plane? Would put it in carry-on? Probably not, because it looks too much like a weapon. But in any other circumstance where you're car traveling, it would be a perfect option. Unless you have a chair or something like that. But that's another video. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of security options, home repairs, evaluations of sports gear and photography equipment, designs of all kinds, making and breaking things, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.